Making your gear fear no water. A guide to waterproofing. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical and essential topic for many adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts: waterproof your gear. Understanding this phrase not only expands your English vocabulary but also equips you with valuable knowledge to keep your belongings dry and safe in wet conditions. So, whether you're planning a hiking trip, a camping adventure, or simply want to brave the rain, this video is for you. First things first, let's break down the term waterproof. To waterproof something means to make it impervious to water. In other words, water can't get through it. This term is crucial for items that you need to keep dry at all costs, like your phone, clothes, and electronic devices, especially when you're outdoors and exposed to the elements. When we say your gear, we're talking about all the equipment and items you take with you on an outdoor adventure. This could range from your backpack, tent, and shoes, to electronic gadgets and clothing. Essentially, gear encompasses anything you need to protect from water damage. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you actually waterproof your gear? Here are some effective methods. Use waterproof sprays and coatings. These are specially designed for fabrics and materials to repel water. Perfect for tents, jackets, and shoes. Dry bags and cases. Ideal for electronics and sensitive items. They're designed to be completely waterproof. Seal seams and zippers. Often, water seeps through tiny gaps in seams and zippers. Use sealing products to close these paths. Choose waterproof materials. When purchasing new gear, opt for items made from waterproof or water-resistant materials. Beyond waterproofing, here are a few practical tips to ensure your gear stays dry. Pack smart. Keep sensitive items in inner compartments and use Ziploc bags for an extra layer of protection. Regular maintenance. Reapply waterproof coatings and sprays regularly, and check for any damage to your gear that might compromise its waterproofing. Be prepared for emergencies. Always have a plan for unexpected weather changes, such as carrying emergency ponchos or tarps. Congratulations! You now know what it means to waterproof your gear, and how to do it effectively. This knowledge not only enriches your English language skills but also prepares you for adventures in wet and wild conditions. We hope you found this video helpful and that it adds an extra layer of confidence and security to your outdoor activities. Stay dry and see you in the next video.